Welcome to FX Leaders Broker Review. Today, we're taking a closer look at FX Meridian. FX Meridian is an online trading platform offering access to over 1,000 financial instruments, including Forex, stocks, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies. The platform provides commission-free trading on select assets and utilizes a proprietary web trader platform catering to both novice and experienced traders. Safety and security. FX Meridian operates under the brand of Every Financial AD, which is registered in Bulgaria and authorized by the Bulgarian Financial Supervision Commission. Minimum deposit and account types. FX Meridian offers a standard plan with a minimum deposit requirement of $500. This plan includes commission-free trading, live support, access to a trading academy, and private channels to assist traders in the market. Trading platforms and tools. FX Meridian utilizes a proprietary web trader platform designed to be user-friendly and accessible via web browsers. The platform offers features such as real-time quotes, advanced charting tools, and quick order execution. Additionally, FX Meridian has launched a mobile trading app, allowing clients to trade on the go. The platform also provides access to technical analysis trading courses and has integrated features to support copy trading, enabling clients to replicate the trades of top-performing traders. Markets available for trade. FX Meridian offers a diverse selection of trading instruments across multiple asset classes. Traders can access over 150 Forex currency pairs with low spreads, major global indices, a variety of commodities including gold, silver, and oil, as well as a wide range of global equities. In addition, FX Meridian provides access to popular cryptocurrencies, allowing clients to participate in the growing digital asset market. Deposit and withdrawal. FX Meridian supports multiple deposit and withdrawal methods, including bank transfers, credit, debit cards, e-wallets like Skrill and Trustly, and select local payment options. While processing times vary, bank transfers may take 1 to 3 business days, while card and e-wallet transactions are typically instant. Fees of up to 4% may apply for some methods. It's important to note that only uninvested funds can be withdrawn. Pros and cons. Pros: access to a wide range of trading instruments across multiple markets. Traders can diversify their portfolios with over 150 Forex pairs, global equities, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies, all from a single platform. User-friendly proprietary web trader platform with mobile app support. The platform is designed for ease of use, offering seamless navigation, real-time data, and mobile compatibility for trading on the go. Integration of educational resources and copy trading features. New and experienced traders benefit from built-in learning tools and the ability to mirror strategies from top-performing traders. Cons: regulatory warnings from reputable financial authorities, including the FCA and ASC. These advisories suggest concerns about the broker's licensing status or business practices, which may affect investor confidence. Potential processing fees on certain deposit methods. Transactions via credit, debit cards, or e-wallets may incur fees of up to 4%, which can add to trading costs over time. Limited transparency regarding account types and specific trading conditions. Key details such as minimum deposit requirements, leverage options, and spread structures are not clearly outlined on the platform. In conclusion, FX Meridian offers a broad spectrum of trading instruments and a user-friendly platform, catering to both novice and experienced traders. However, potential clients should exercise caution due to regulatory warnings from reputable financial authorities and reported issues related to withdrawals and transparency. Conducting thorough research and considering personal risk tolerance is advised before engaging with this broker. For more broker reviews, visit our website FX Leaders, the leading provider of real-time market news, market analysis, trade ideas, trade recommendations, and Forex signals for Forex trading.